good morning, ma'am. My name is Nika Bongo. My topic was all about the intervention for children with exceptionalities. So, let's start. When we say intervention for children with exceptionalities, so ito po yung para ma-avoid natin yung mga exceptionalities para sa mga baby natin. So, maraming types ng exceptionalities. One is ADHD or the autism, then Down syndrome and learning disabilities, and many more. So what is it? Early intervention services are a range of target services to help young children who have developmental delays, specific health condition. So early intervention daw intervention daw ay nakakatutulong sa mga bata na may mga developmental delays. So, tinutulungan nila yung mga bata para meet nila yung kanilang mga developmental tasks. Different types of specialists work with these children to provide service that help them catch up, increases their chances for success in school and daily living. So tabangan nila mga bata para makahibaw sila sa ila for schools o sa ila daily living. Para for example yan sa mga yan magkuan ng buttons and then mag-tie shoes. That's all. Why is early intervention important? Early intervention helps children meet developmental milestone. So amo ini iton ma-meet nila developmental task. For example for 9 months na sila, di ba dapat ang mga bata is maka-abat-abat na or makahawid-hawid na bitaw sa mga kilid-kilid, makaindog-indog na. Then it can improve their functional skills and abilities. Ma-improve nila kibali nila skills and abilities. Then which are associated to longer term well-being of the child and family. So this is person-centered approach and family-centered approach. So person-centered approach ini because the person will observe the child who has developmental delays or have an exceptionalities. Tutukan kibali niya yung bata kung uno na siya, kung kumusta na ba, uno na ba gibata ng bata. Tapos next is family-centered practice. So family-centered, of course, kay kuan saya di ba dapat ang family mo tutukan ganyan iya anak kung uno kung kumusta na, dapat bantayan ganyan kay basin magsakasaka kay di ba magsakasaka yun kay grabe sila ka hyper. Kadtuon yun nila bantayan ganyan nila para dili yan bata simba ko ba uno ba yung anha. Ensures that the needs of the child and family are prioritized. Early intervention services can also map clearly onto a life course framework that recognizes the long-term nature of the impact of critical periods of transition of the child. So next is, here are some areas in which early intervention can help develop. So first is the physical skills. So reaching, walking, drawing, and building. So sa physical skills is matabangan sila na makaabot or ma-reach nila yun something na gusto nila i-reach, tapos maka-write na sila, tapos maka-drawing, then maka-build bitaw ng mga blocks, mga Legos, mga haudyaon. Next is cognitive skills. So ma-build nila, tabangan sila ng mga early interventionists na maka-think, maka-learn o solving problems. So tabangan sila ng learning o solving problems. Tapos next is communication skills. Talking, listening, understanding others. So tudlaan sila bitaw mo istorya, mga hadyon, tapos mamati sila, tapos maka sabot na sila sa lain bitaw. So next is self-help or adaptive skills. So yaon nga ni mabilong na matudloan sila ang matabangan sila na makakahibaw na sila pagkaon, diba? Yon mga bata is butangan ng mga parents. For example, ako baby, butkan ko na ko baby ng pagkaon sa ko ang table, tapos siya na yun isa magsungit-sungit bitaw. Tapos sa dressing isab is makakuha na siya yun, makakuha na ng buttons, tapos makakuha na siya, makaties na siya niya what is this, mga listons bitaw, mga lace sa iya shoes. Amo yun sa self-help and adaptive skills. So next is social or emotional skills. Amo yan siya playing o interacting with others. So playing is, di ba, mga bata is mga magduwa na din sila. Tapos sa interacting with others naman is yung basta yung bata is tuturuan nila or ano yun? Tuturuan nila or tuturuan nilang interact sa lain, istoryahon bitaw nila yon ng bata. Tapos next is sensory processing skills or handling textures or tastes, sounds, smell. So yaon nga din nila sensory senses. So makakuha na sila, maka-taste or makabati, makasimhot kung ano yan, or handling textures. So, various types of early intervention for children with special needs. A child who qualifies for an early program may receive one or more of these services. So, ang mga bata kuno na may mga early intervention o may mga exceptionalities or special needs is always na screen sila bitaw, tapos gina-assist ko uno na ila koan mga uno na ila mga uno ila uno ila mga oloy resultant ila health kunya uno na sila. Tapos next is speech and language therapy. So can help with speech, language, eating and drinking skills. So tabangan sila or tudlan sila na maka-istorya sila or makahibaw sila ng language o makakaon sila ng ila o makainom sa ng ila da. Tapos next is physical or occupational therapy. Can help with fine motor skills. So nga di is ma-develop, tabangan sila na ma-develop nila motor skills, fine motor skills. So ma-develop nila nga di. Tapos play and self-help skills like dressing and toileting. So kibali amo yaon ma-develop nila self-help like dressing or toileting. Tapos psychological services, sa home visits, tapos hearing, audiology or vision services. It is thus important to look for specific aspects of early intervention that can be suits your child and family. So kibali specific guide kibali yan. For example, ang bata saka bata is may autism, so dapat specific guide yan ihatag o ikuan sa ila, ipatest or ihatag yon mo suit bitaw guide sa ila. Ug is family centered. This means that interventions includes you and other family members, so you can work alongside the professionals and learn how to help your child is flexible. It can be offered in your home as well as in other settings such as kindergartens and early intervention centers provides your family with support and guidance. So for example nga di is yaon sa school bitaw, sa mga kindergartens, di ba ang mga parents o teacher is one ganyan. For example sa PTA, di ba, parents and teachers, dapat mag-isa gid ang parents para mahibaw-an ng teacher, magkasinabot ang mga parents o teachers na kung uno ba yun siya na bata, tapos kung uno bawal sa iya kay di ba basin makuan sa bata bisko na bawal sa iya. Tapos para malikayan bitaw ng teacher kung uno mga bawal, tapos magsidabta na ang mga parents o teachers para mag-guide nila. Next is developmentally appropriate. This means that the intervention is especially designed for children with disability. Has staff who are specially trained in the intervention services. They develops an individual plan for your children and reviews the plan regularly, tracks your child's progress with regular assessments. So, nga di is developmental appropriate. So, di ba, para mahibaw-an nga na ang bata ba kung yamit na niya developmental task, for example, dapat 1 year is makakuha na yun siya pero wala ba gahapon mamit. So, kinahanglan gid yun siya i-assess para mahibaw-an kung kumusta na ba ang iya lagay, kung how he feels or unay na iya yaramdaman. The next is child focus. This means the intervention focuses on developing special skills, includes strategies to help your child learn new skills and use them in different settings, prepares and supports your child for the move to school. Find ways of getting your child with disability together with typically developing children, ideally as same age. So nga di is matabangan sila na ma-develop ang ila specific skills or matabangan sila na maka-catch up na new skills, makahibaw na new skills bitaw. Then different settings prepares and supports your child for a move para matabangan sila na maka-eskwela na sila na makahibaw na sila bitaw. So next is the supportive and structure. This means the intervention provides a supportive learning environment. Your child feels comfortable and supported, is highly structured, well organized, or regular and predictable. So nga sa supportive and structured is dapat provides dapat sa isa ka classroom provide supportive learning environment. So maka-learn guide sila, tapos yan kung bitaw sa ato classroom dapat may mini libraries, tapos may playground bitaw ay makaduwa sila ng mga blocks, mga legos, mga learning materials bitaw, mga learning toys kay as they are playing maka-learn gihapon sila. So your child feels ma-comfortable biton bata dili maghilak kay tungod gibiyaan siya na iya kuan nga awyan siya sa eskwelahan, di ba na mga bata is maghilak kayo kay dili comfortable. Tapos and supported is highly tapos dapat anato classroom is very safe. For example yon sa school bitaw na may mga yon guba na bitaw, mga buak na bitaw yung mga bintana, yun mga damuinan, mga blanks makalutsa na bitaw ng bata. Dapat dili gid kay basin ang bata bitaw mo sa kamahog. Tapos well organized, dapat organized kayo, tapos regular and predictable. So that's all. Thank you for listening.